Garden Update, October 2023. All right, check out this dragon fruit. It's been in here for a few years, and it's finally taken off. I came here and there's like 6 blooms. How pretty these blooms are. And this is the one instance where I'm gonna let the ants do their thing, because they're gonna help pollinate and create the fruits. I think I counted 6 fruits. There's definitely one here. Maybe there'll be another one here. Maybe this is the beginning of a flower. I'm not sure. There's another one there. So this has been my best year. Hopefully we get some fruits. Another one there. So we'll see. It definitely looks like I have one. Check out these berries. This variety, this is a blackberry, and this is called Prime Arc. The reason why I planted this variety is because it's going to give me berries twice a year, and it's thornless. So that was a winner for me, and I planted these last fall. They were just little sticks, like they looked like they were dead sticks. Look how crazy this has gotten. It's going all over my trellis. Berries everywhere. So that's super exciting. And I neglected it for about 8 weeks. It did not care. I had to trim it back because it was so out of control. Like, I couldn't even get in here. So I had to, it was going over here, growing over this direction. It was insane. So last week I trimmed it down so I can get in here and make it like a trellis. You can see kind of going crazy. But it's doing its own thing and it's growing really well. And the berries are really good. Super excited. All right, this is my raspberry patch. I planted this one in the fall. This is a thornless variety, and it's doing pretty good. I'm getting berries. Look at these. Lots of raspberries. These are the best tasting raspberries. Really, they really are good. All this is celery seed. Debating whether I should save some of these seeds or not. I mean, they're gonna, self-sow, but not sure. Oh, yeah, they taste like celery. All right, I just came back from my garden. I trimmed my giant basil bush and I am rinsing. I just rinsed off this basil, and now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I just take the leaves and I take them off and I just simply lay them on this towel. And in about a week, it'll dry out and it'll look like this. And I make sure that they're thoroughly dry before I store them in an airtight container. Because otherwise, if there's moisture, bacteria will be in there and then that'll cause mold, and then you have to throw the whole thing out. So just a really easy, low-tech way of dehydrating, using no energy. And so I like to do it this way versus in the dehydrator, because I find that it really turns black when I do it in the dehydrator. So just using Mother Nature, it's not so dark. And I kind of like that better. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll take a cutting, I will put it in water, because maybe I want fresh basil, and then it just happens to miraculously root, so that I always have basil. Doesn't grow as well as in the garden because it doesn't have the nutrients of the soil, but it's great in a pinch. So I make my own little packets by using vacuum seal bags, but I use a bag sealer that's handheld. It kind of looks like a flat iron with a crimping edge to it, and that way nothing oozes out in the vacuum sealer. Hope that helps you out, and that's just a quick way of using basil. Until next time, take care. Bye.